Hello everyone. Today's robot is X Fusion AI for MetaTrader 5. It's the sale of the MPL5 market by developer Chen Jiakui, currently sitting around the $180 mark, with the usual limited spots left price going up soon messaging, setting the price will increase soon to $999, which is a high rise if you ask me. Say it's almost sold out. Now before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now let's start by walking through exactly what the developer is claiming on the product page, because that's what most people see first. They call it a neural adaptive hybrid trading system. The core idea, according to them, is that it doesn't try to predict the future price. Instead, it evaluates current market conditions and adjusts its internal logic on the fly. I'm talking about distinguishing between trending, ranging, and high volatility environments and shifting the weight of different components accordingly. Classic stuff like trend and momentum filters, pullback entries, compression and breakout structure detection, high-low structural filters, and volatility analysis all sit under an adaptive layer that can dial things up or down depending on what the market is doing. Now, there's a clear split into two strategies for this EA. Strategy 1 is the main one that runs by default, and strategy 2 got a full redesign in the version 3.0, according to the version 3.2. The developer is very open about this, as the older version of strategy 2 used martingale style scaling, an aggressive recovery logic that is gone now. Strategy 2 is now a one order at a time, disabled by default, and uses a more controlled risk model so people can decide for themselves whether to turn it on. They also mention multi-layer risk management, dynamic stop loss and take profit handling, protection against long losing sequences, break even, and trading style logic. Reduce activity during abnormal volatility, a basic news filter, and several capital protection mode. You can go through the page to have a closer view on it. Now, the recommended setup before we go into the back testing. So you can test it on Great British Pound USD on the M15 time frame and select the appropriate strategy. Keep other parameters at default. Now, let's go into the back test. You can read everything you on the EA on the page. You can find the link in the description. Now comparing the results to mine, they had a profit factor of 4.371k, initial deposit 83 million, net profit, gross profit 107, profit rate 75.9%. The loss trade is still higher than the profit trade, but it seems they made more profit trades overall. The average profit rate is still higher than the average loss rate. And they say it's a compound growth model. Drawdown is relatively low, 5.37 for balance max, equity mass 8.6, 8.7. You have your live trading results and a signal. Now let's move over to my backtest. You can see the signal link here. Now I ran this on strategy 1 on the Great British Pound M15 from June 1st, 2025 to June 1st, 2026. 1 minute OHLC modeling, then kit deposit 1:100 leverage, and optimization disabled. with a realistic delay. As you can see my ping over here. Now looking at the equity curve, you can see the climb is pretty steady from around 10,000 up past 23,000 by the end. You can see the green equity line dipping below the blue bars line in places, which is classic floating drawdown behavior, where it recovers and keeps pushing higher. Deposit load stays mostly under 10% with occasional spikes. And we come over to the inputs, you can see enable strategy 1 true, enable strategy 2 false. I'm going to be quick with this so we can test the strategy in this video. The second strategy, you can see strategy 1 gave us a net profit of $18,000. Drawdown matches close to what the developer claims, with our balance marks lower than our equity marks. We had profit trade 84%, matches a bit, slightly higher than theirs. And profit trade has both the largest and average greater than the average loss and great largest loss. Profit factor 11.81, not bad. And now let's test the second strategy in this video. Hopefully it runs fast. Still same settings. Let's see the graph as it's moving real time. So you see the graph is significantly different. Let's go over to the backtest results. Why not the same as the strategy one? This will give us a decent profit, not bad overall. Not crazy like the first strategy, but still risk protected. 1.25 profit factor. Took lesser amount of trades compared to the first one. For that first one, we had a higher number of trades. Well, still remains the same relatively. Drawdown 6.52 for balance marks. Equity marks came in at 7.40. And looking at the equity curve, you can see this climb and fall. Drawdowns, recoveries falling close to 9,900 and rising above 10k to 10,700. Well, decent. Comparing that to the developers claim the high win rate and smooth upward slope for strategy 1 and moderate for strategy 2, line up with what you expect from a system that uses pullbacks and recoveries there in a cooperative market, excuse me. Live signal the link shows more modest numbers, lower profit factor, higher relative equity drawdown, which is typical once you leave the controlled backtest environment. Now the realistic verdict. This is a hybrid trend plus recovery system that can produce strong results in ranging or mild trend conditions, especially on the Great British Pound USD M15 with the default settings. That's your new risk control. And the developer has gone up the more aggressive side of the former strategy 2, as we saw in our recent analysis for strategy 2, was more moderate, more conservative, if I will say. When in live trading, that can feel different from the close trade starts, and remain sensitive to strong one-way moves, new spikes, and brokers' condition. Who is it actually for? Traders who are comfortable with limited recovery logic, have enough buffer in their accounts to ride the floating periods, and are willing to keep risk conservative and strategy 2 off until they understand it. Poor firm users who already know how to watch equity drawdown and news windows might find the built-in filters useful. If you want zero averaging or pure trend following without any recovery layers, this isn't the one. Now is the honest read after looking at the page, the signal, and the full year test. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment telling me which EA you want reviewed next. You can also check out our other EAs, as you might have already reviewed them. And don't forget to grab that free robot with the built-in indicators and candlestick pattern. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.